Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your Love Bite. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. Alright Taurus, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Taurus, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Taurus. Okay. 8 of Pentacles, center of my spread. Oh, with the Hierophant right next to that. 9 of Swords, 2 of Wands, and the Hermit. Bottom of my deck, I have the High Priestess in reverse. So, did something come out, Taurus? Some information, some news? I don't know. I do feel there was some drama here where things were not working out. Maybe one person felt this is not even worth fighting for. But now I do see the same person who created the drama wanting to level up and work on this connection and wanting commitment. That could be putting the other person into a little bit of anxiety. Okay. But there is a decision getting made or has to be made now. The Hermit right in the end. So Taurus, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards as always. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards, okay? So Taurus and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Oh my God, excuse me. I'll have to just switch my phone off. Sorry, that was my daughter. The phone is switched off now, so no more interruptions. Okay, so Taurus and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Taurus and their person. Thank you. One more. Alright, we're going to take a few more Taurus from another deck. And Taurus, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Taurus and their person. Okay. And a couple more from here, Taurus. One more. Okay. Done. Let's start your reading, Taurus. The first card here, which fell on my lap, says, when you told me you thought I was too good to be true, I was one of the few good and true people in your life. I want us to be able to talk through things properly. The only problem is in your presence, all I seem to have is wild, dirty thoughts about what I want to do to you. I'm a passionate sexual creature in my prime, but thanks to your continual running, I've been left here burning up with fire. I can't even talk with anyone else without your sexual energy being all over me. If you want me, come and take me. Enough of divine timing already. You want to be with me and I want to be with you. Why can't we get our shit together now? I tried to help you with your addictions, but you took me and my love for granted. I was happy and carefree before, but you kept taking from me. You stole my heart, my love, my light, and my well-being. I'm trying to recover from this and heal myself. You feed my heart and soul with your love. You are my best friend and my passionate lover. I love you more than anything in this world. I want to protect you, steal your smiles, stop your tears, and wake up to kiss you every morning. I want to show you that you are the best thing that's happened to me. I don't like to admit it, but I could really use your help right now. I'm struggling to do everything alone. Got a lot of cards. Thank you for your support. I could not do this without you. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand I need time. All right, Taurus, these were some of your messages. Let's start your reading, but as always, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you today. So, my angels, what do you have for Taurus? Blessing, guidance, advice, play music. Maybe music holds importance. I don't know. Maybe there's some messages you're going to be getting through music. Maybe the angels are trying to get your attention through music, or maybe your person is sending you messages telepathically through music. So yes, music would be very, very good for you and very healing for you at this point, Taurus. So play music. Okay. So who's this Knight of Wands, Spirit? Knight of Wands is usually a character who is very passionate but kind of dips in and out of people's lives. Doesn't stay around for very long but very passionate. Yes. So tell us more about this Knight of Wands, Spirit. Knight of Wands. Okay. Knight of Wands. Well, if somebody was a Knight of Wands, I think they want things to get better also. Maybe they don't want to be a player anymore. They want a second chance. Somebody wants a second chance. Somebody who was a drama king maybe in your past, Taurus, or vice versa. Taurus, you could be this person, I don't know. Somebody doesn't want to do that anymore. They're realizing that what they were doing was not right. They want to bring things back into balance. They want a resurrection. If they were a player, they don't want to be a player anymore. They feel, yes, they don't want any other options. Look at this, 7 of Cups in reverse and the 3 of Pentacles in reverse. This is almost like somebody saying, hey, this doesn't work for me anymore either. Maybe because their past behavior, they may not have been very sincere maybe in the past, and that could have either led to some broken hearts between the two of you. I don't know. Maybe now they are hurting. Whoever was the person who was a little flighty, now they're feeling, hey, all these games backfired on me, right? What was the point of all this? Everything's kind of backfired on me, and I feel like a loser. I think this person is finally maturing and wants to show forth as the King of Wands now. First, let's take a card for the 5 of Swords. Spirit, what happened here? 5 of Swords. Yeah, this kind of behavior eventually, maybe earlier they were doing this to their partner. Now their partner could have left them out in the cold, and now they're realizing how heartbreaking it is. So I think now this person is feeling a little lost. They're feeling, oh, whatever I did, where did it leave me? Nothing. It just gave me a broken heart now, and I'm feeling left out in the cold. I think this person wants to level up now. They want to be the King of Wands. King of Wands, say something. King of Wands says, well, I know what my wish fulfillment is now. I want to go towards the right direction now. I want to do the right thing. I want to take action. They could be a little scared here though. Yeah, and one more. Why is the Moon card here, Spirit, then? They're a bit scared because they've kind of ruined things between the two of you. Maybe some bad memories have been created in this connection. Maybe they were breadcrumbing earlier or giving to more than one. So they do know that, it's not going to be easy, but they do want to work on this connection. They're scared of losing their love. They're feeling a bit unloved at the moment. Very, very stressed out, my God. Look at this. They're totally stressed out, feeling, have I lost the love of my life? So 8 of Pentacles, Spirit. 8 of Pentacles. They want to now fight again, but they want to fight for the right thing. They want to fight for their person. They don't want to argue. They don't want competition. They don't want anything. I think this person actually wants to fight for a 10 of Cups now. They want to put in the work and they want to do the right thing. They can envision this 10 of Cups with their person now that, they're realizing how much it hurts to be left behind. Yes. So, Hierophant, are they offering commitment here, Spirit? Yes, they are. Spirit says yes. They're going to make a small offer, maybe tentative offer, start from scratch. Hey, listen, I want to start small, but the feeling that they have is that yes, I want to go all the way and I want to stay committed or want to commit now to my person forever. But there is a bit of stress. Who's in stress, Spirit? Nine of Swords? Nine of Swords. Somebody doesn't believe them. One more. As happy as it's going to make the other person, I think it's also going to stress them out, because when this offer of forever commitment or whatever comes, whoever's on the other side, Taurus, the receiver of this commitment, this offer or whatever, they are going to wonder whether this is another little game, a petty game that this person is playing, or is it true. Even though I think it's going to make them happy, it's going to lead to a lot of stress. A lot of stress to... Yes, because it's going to, according to the other person, this has never happened, right? The person coming earlier was always in and out or very rash or never kind of staying around for very long. So it's going to put the other person in a little bit of a hermit mode to think, is this true or not? Yes, this Queen of Cups is going to take their time, I think. I think this person has finally, I think, closed that cup of love that they've been giving so freely. And they're trying to heal, I think, and trying to stay silent, trying to listen to their intuition. This person is maybe going to open up, but also a bit slow. They're not going to jump into something. But then they might. One second, the Chariot is here soon after that. Oops, yes, Chariot and the Ten of Pentacles. Right? So yes, it may start off small, but I have a feeling it's going to go all the way. It's going to go all the way. This is going to lead to commitment, marriage, and everything else. It may start off small. With this small offer coming, it's going to put somebody in a little bit of stress and tension because they won't probably believe it or something like that. So yes, that's all I have for you, Taurus. Hope it worked. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.